Okay, that was Reliance Brands. But let's switch over to metals, and they've just been on a phenomenal rally, particularly gold, and then silver seems to be catching up. But Mubina is the person to talk to when it comes to metals, and specifically the rally as far as the futures are seeing. So hi Mubina, nice of you to join in. What's happening with metals and how much more upside is there? Because it just looks unstoppable right now.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Unstoppable is the word. That's been the case for gold, and interestingly, not just when the pandemic hit, not just in 2020, but even prior to that, we had undertones of, the bulls really taking charge of gold, perhaps having to do with all of the uncertainties surrounding, the economic growth. And then COVID came in. So all the more, it just essentially gave one more leg up to gold prices. Now, silver, meantime, has been a little slow to join in on the party, but it has, and how. So on the COMEX or on global markets, we have seen silver prices cross 22 per ounce. Gold, meantime, has hit as well a decadal high of $1,850 per ounce. So there definitely has been a very strong rally. We had a very interesting note earlier this month from Goldman Sachs, where they have spoken about how, in the precious metals complex, silver does have a tendency to lag gold's rally, but then it eventually does catch up. But not just that, we ourselves on ET now have interviewed noted commodity guru Jim Rogers, and that one ratio that he had flagged off was the silver gold price ratio. It was at 125 in mid-March. It stayed above 100, in March, in April, a little bit of May as well. And then we had Jim Rogers acknowledging this extremely high ratio, which indicates how cheap silver is and how it's really not seen a rally the way gold has. Back then, it was at roughly about $17 or $18 per ounce. But now that ratio has reversed to 91. That means you just need 91 ounces of silver to buy 1 ounce of gold. Still, if you compare this with the decadal average, which is at 69, it still looks like there is quite a discount between silver and gold. For now, of course, Jim Rogers' prophecy, which he made in ET now about silver being an important asset class, seems to be already, proving to be true. On the MCX, gold prices have crossed 50,000 and silver 60,000, both at record highs in India.